Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by collecting all required documents before you visit the office. Bring your valid driver license and current vehicle registration with you. Download or pick up the disability parking application form from the agency. Ask your medical provider to complete and sign the medical certification section on the form. Include any supporting notes about mobility devices or assistive aids you use. Carry proof of residency, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. Organize everything in a folder to streamline the next. Fill out the application form carefully using black or blue ink only. Ensure the medical certification section is fully completed and signed by your provider. Attach copies of your driver license and vehicle registration to the application. Submit the application in person, by mail, or via the agency website if available. Pay any processing fee required and obtain a receipt or confirmation number. Note the expected processing timeframe so you can follow up if you do not receive your placard on schedule. When you receive the placard, review its expiration date and conditions of use. Hang the placard from the rearview mirror while parked in designated accessible spaces. Ensure the placard remains visible and does not obscure your windshield view while driving. Follow any size or display requirements specified by the agency. Keep a copy of the approval receipt in your vehicle as backup documentation. If the placard is lost or stolen, report it immediately and request a replacement through the issuing office or website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.